So this hotel, restaurants, and bank also, they share the API after every 1 hour to this third party. And this third party application is not like any application develop nowadays. Anyone, they can make any application and they can post into the Play Store. But to this third party application which has trusted one, to them only this API is shared, because these data are confidential, right? If any third party fraud app, they can use misuse this data, then it will be a loss for all the three, right? Consumer, your like flights, air, IRCT, hotel, restaurant, right? So only to the trusted one only this API is shared. I hope it is clear to you what is this API. So this REST API also same, means through the API you can connect to the Google Cloud. What do you mean by this API? You can write a code on your Eclipse IntelliJ, you can connect to this Google Cloud. I will show you how to do that. So this is a complete information about the Google Cloud, how you can connect with that. And regarding the sign up I have already explained you, but this slide I have created, you can take a reference from this. Okay, if any one of you still have not created an account, you can go through this slide and you can take the references from here. Okay, any question that you have on this app engine or API, any one of you? Any question, then you can ask, or otherwise shall I show some other uh, commands? Any question, any one of you? Okay, so you can see this command. Okay, so I'm running the command. Right now I'm using the another account, so it is giving me some error, but when you are going to do it, it won't give you an error. Like suppose let me run some command and show you. I will going to explain you what this command they do. So you can see this. Now I authorize it. How I can authorize myself? See, you have to run this command gcloud. Let me show you, let me explain this. It's not difficult. Okay, this command prompt is very easy. If you feel difficulty, I will going to show you how you can play with the command is very easy. You should have a knowledge of this gcloud, or you should have a knowledge of this command prompt, because in US or in other country people works on Linux system, not the Window one. So you should have a knowledge on this. So for this you have to use gcloud config set or gcloud. First of all, just try gcloud auth. Okay, Here I have pasted this verification code. Okay, so what actually you need to type? gcloud auth. Gcloud auth command will give you authorization. Okay, gcloud, this one, just note it down here. I'm typing, or you can, when you will going to try, you just try like this: gcloud auth login. So it will going to authorize you. So right now, see, this link will appear. Okay, just click on this link. So this sign in option will come. It will just log in with your Gmail ID through which you have created an account. Click on that, allow. Once you click on this allow, here what you are doing, you are just authorizing yourself. So click on this allow and just copy this is the code. This code you have to paste it there. This is just a OTP kind of thing, the verification code they have sent it to you. You have to paste it here. Click on the same, control V, I pasted and enter. Now see, they have authorized me. Now they come to know that I am logging as a Amit account, and now I have access to run the code or any command. So gcloud project list I am typing. It will take some time based on the internet speed and configuration of server. See here, these are the different project I have created. I hope you remember. Let me show you. See the project. My first project, my project 58592 Intel demo, my data flow demo, project deploy Amit. These are the 4 projects. Now see here also. My first project, my project 5892 Intel demo, my data flow project, project deploy Amit, service project 2 is created by another account, but you can see this is the project number. So this is an ID of your project. Either you can open a project based on the name, or you can open the project based on the project number also. Any question, any one of you? And okay, can anyone open share a screen so that I can help you to do this step, so that you will get a command over it and you will learn. It's very easy. Who wanted to share the screen? Anyone who wanted to do this step? Sharon, Samarth,
Sir,
any?
shall I share?
Yeah, good. Please share your screen. I'm stop presenting. Yeah, good Hayati. Please share your screen. I will help you to do that. Are you sharing a screen? Hayati, are you sharing your screen? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I am sharing, sir. Wait,